Alright guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate your entire AI fruit video process in just 3 easy steps. You can automate everything without needing to use any master prompt, without needing to create images and videos separately, editing together. This whole process, I'm going to show you a tool that will do everything for you step by step. You just have to hit next, that's all. So yeah, the tool I'm talking about is AI Cut Pro. So if you have seen some of my previous AI fruit videos, you probably know that creating these AI fruit videos usually takes quite a bit of a time and like few different steps. Like first you have to come up with a story, then generate images, videos and everything. But no, with the help of this now, you'll be able to create everything with the help of just 3 simple steps. Alright, so first of all, in AI Cut Pro, you're gonna go ahead and click on this create my first video. So this is the homepage that you're gonna land into, which looks very intuitive. And here you guys can see we have all the templates that's been going on on TikTok and Instagram. So first of all, we have cheating fruits, then we have kid transformation, pause and payback, prison fruits, forehead numbers, then we also have fruit, love island, loyalty test. And take a look at how many templates we have over here. So literally any type of niche, anything you find on TikTok, you're gonna see inside of AI Cut.pro. It's really amazing. And also AI Cut Pro gives you a feature where you can paste any of your TikTok link and it will help you recreate that video for you, in just 3 easy steps without any problems. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how exactly you can do that. So first of all, from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick any niche that I want to go ahead and recreate. So let's just say I want to go ahead and recreate this cheating fruits niche, because as you guys know, this is the most famous one and this is the evergreen one. You get lots of views with this niche. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. Okay, so after that, we have just 3 easy steps. First of all, it will ask you to create your idea, your story. So over here, we have few of the options that it has given you. We have 5 different story idea options. And let's just say if you don't like any of these, you can click on regenerate ideas and it's gonna go ahead and regenerate some new ideas for you, and you can keep on doing until you find your favorite one. And let's just say if you don't find any of your favorite ideas, so you can always write your own idea over here as well. You can basically break down your characters and everything. So the possibilities are endless. But let's just say if you are okay with any one of the idea from here, so you're gonna go ahead and click on that and click to continue to cast. So over here in this step, it's gonna go ahead and basically create the characters for you, the cast that would be inside of your video. So over here in this video, we have 3 characters. One would be Ruby, then we have the Mason, who would be husband, and Dante, which would be banana lover. Okay, all right, so from here what you need to do is you need to go ahead and start creating prototype images of your characters, like how they're gonna look like. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate cast, and it's gonna take a little bit of time to create your characters images. Okay, not the scenes right now, just your character images, so that you can finalize them before jumping into scenes. Okay, all right, and just like that, our characters have been casted, and I did change their names just by clicking on rewrite cast. So it's gonna switch up the names for you, the best ones that you like. So after your characters, your prototypes are done, so click on continue, and then it's gonna go ahead and go to the review section. So now it's gonna ask you how much long you want your video to be, whether 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Let's just say I'm gonna go ahead and go for 45 seconds. Okay, and then after that, it's gonna go ahead and ask you whether it should start generating scenes plus images. Okay, the breakdown of the scenes and also the images. And then I'm gonna go ahead and click on enter. And mind you guys, for creating images, you can go ahead and basically use any of the latest and greatest models that you want, including GPT Image 2.0, Nano Banana 2, C Dream 5, which is newly released right now. And same goes for video. You can use the very best of the best AI video models that are available right now, including VO 3.1 fast, Grok Imagine, C Dance 2.0 fast, 2.0 and 2.5 as well, which is literally insane. And also Kling 3, Sora 2 Pro, there are lots of possibilities that you can use with these latest and greatest AI video and image generation models with AI Cut Pro. All right, and just like that, all of our images are done. All the scenes breakdown and also the scenes images. I use Nano Banana 2 for this process. So after your all scenes are done, in total we have 7 scenes. I'm gonna go ahead and click on generate video, and then it's gonna take around a bit of a time to generate all of your videos and scenes, and it will compile everything together for you. And then after that, there are so many customizations that you can do after that as well that I'm going to show you in a moment. All right, and just like that, after a few minutes, all of our scenes are done. The videos are ready. So from here, you can do literally anything. If you want, you can go ahead and increase or decrease the time period of your scenes. You can also go ahead and do like 1x 2x, make your scenes a bit fast if you want. And then we also have the option of tighten jump cuts, like it will go ahead and trim the silent dead air so that your scenes become fast and punchy. So this is a really amazing feature that we got over here. Then the next one, we also have the options of captions, right? So you don't have to go to any third-party app now to generate captions, because AI Cut Pro will do that for you. So I'm going to click on create captions. All right, so our captions have been generated successfully, just like that. And then you can also choose the caption style if you want. So we have pretty much every trendy styles, caption styles right over here that we can choose. I think this one looks good. And then you can choose the overlays. Let's just say if you want to go ahead and input like follow for part 2, like that, any call to action, you can do that. And then you can also input your background music, or you can select from the library that you want. Okay, so yeah, there are so many options right over here. Okay, so after all of these customizations, if your video is done, you need to simply go ahead and click on render video, and here's how your final output is gonna look like.
Boss, Mark is waiting with dinner. I really should. Boss, Mark is waiting with dinner. I really should go.
He'll believe whatever you tell him, sweetheart. Now lower the blinds. Dinner's cold again. She works so hard for us. I'll keep her plate warm.
Sorry, babe. The quarterly reports were a nightmare.
It's okay. I saved your dinner, like always.
Oh, that's Leo's. Mark hasn't touched me in months. Oh no!
Our little strawberry gets the brightest room in the house!
Yeah, babe, I'm sure. A perfect little strawberry.
Ruby, she's yellow! Why is our baby yellow?
Mark, please, don't start shouting here.
You! Why am I holding a banana baby?
Leo, wait!
Hand me my daughter.
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. Now you can go ahead and create AI fruit videos, and not only that, all kind of AI videos that you see on TikTok. Like, there are so many niches right over here to choose from. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys. And if you want to go ahead and try AI Cut Pro, you can find the link down in the description. Do check it out. Until then, take care, you guys. Bye-bye.